Okay, morning, folks. Welcome to briefing on Saturday the 17th. Not quite as chilly out there, and you can see why from the surface chart for 12 o'clock. We're starting to draw in air from down south across us, and as you can see, this front coming down. The weather is on the change. The northerly winds that we had for the last couple of days and the clear skies have really given way to more cloud and warmer southerly air mass. That's not going to last long. We'll have a sort of pleasant day today, and this is what's lining itself up for tomorrow. As you can see, an active low pressure system and fronts coming in. So today, reasonable spacing on the isobars. So the winds are fairly light from a sort of southerly direction. I think across the Midlands, they look a little bit stronger, 20 knots at flying heights. And then as the day goes on, nothing really changes overnight until tomorrow when the fronts get here. The forecast modelling is suggesting it might be flyable in the morning and deteriorating in the afternoon at the moment. Okay, so the TAFs say today, fairly short, Farnborough 156 knots. Other forecasts are giving a bit more southerly, southwesterly in their forecast. Gatwick are the same 150, but you know, I've certainly looked at Sea Weather and Top Meteo, and they're suggesting sort of 200, 220, but light. But few at 4,000 feet. Well, there's broken cloud now looking out the window, and I think that's going to be the case. It's not cumulus we're expecting at 4,000 feet. It's just layered cloud coming and going. Upper winds down to the south of us, yeah, definitely southerly, and then swinging a bit more southwesterly across the country and the Midlands area, but 20 knots up across the Midlands, so reasonably fresh. And that's where that weather front sits. And you can see that on the sat pickets, that is the cloud here that's just sat across the North Midlands at the moment. Let's have a quick look at the rainfall radar, see if there's anything on that. Well, not really, but you can see the general direction of the cloud with the drift of showers out to the west of us. It is generally southwesterly, so it shouldn't be an issue for us. This I think won't come down anywhere near us today. Temperature wise, a few degrees warmer than yesterday. It was quite pleasant yesterday afternoon for a few hours as the temperature rose above freezing. I think it'll be sort of 4 or 5 degrees today, but perhaps feel a little bit of a bite to the wind, which take the temperature down a degree or two. So Top Meteo showing reasonably clear. They're showing some layered cloud first thing in the morning, and that's sort of 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock coming and going. Could well be that some low cloud develops for a bit, but sort of late morning, afternoon looks quite pleasant with a reasonable amount of upper cloud just cutting out the sun right until it gets dark. And then if you just look at tomorrow, so it's showing that by tomorrow morning, the cloud coming in, possibly by lunchtime, the rain, low cloud getting to us in the first frontal system. It's all about timing. So yeah, pleasant day today. Possible bits of low cloud first thing. Top Meteo suggesting the wind. That's tomorrow. Suggesting the wind for today is southwesterly, as you can see there, light, 6 to 9 knots, and stays more or less in the same direction for most of the day. So yeah, certainly flyable, varying layers of cloud, upper mid-level cloud, cutting the sun off so it won't be as sunny as yesterday. But hopefully no low cloud develops. So a reasonable day for flying. Okay, I'll look at quickly on the airspace, and then operationally, well, airspace, absolutely nothing. Nothing locally to us. Number 12 and 13 are just middle wallet will be active, winch launching, and it's NOTAM now that it's been changed to a permanent activation of winch launching. And that's about it. Operationally, Sam will be running the airfield today, so maybe get away with 2-3 to start off with, offsetting the winch if we can actually tow out on the grass. If not, it'll be 2-7 to start off with if we can offset the winch. If not, it's going to be 2-3. He'll make that decision before it heads out. Similar to yesterday, there's going to be frost on the gliders, I think, once you roll them out the hangar for a bit. And just be aware, late afternoon misting canopies. Okay, folks, another flyable day. Go and enjoy.